Okay, welcome. Now we are going to show you how to assemble your mobile recording kit. As we said in the previous video, this is your main component, which is your phone stabilizer. So we're gonna open this, we're gonna proceed and open this second one here. Then we can take this one out. Okay, we need to be very careful about this one. Now, you're gonna see that there is this part here in the bottom, and you're gonna see another one here. We are gonna join them together, and we're gonna attach them as so. Let's see. Now, the way how this is set up, if you are a right-hand person or a left-hand person, this you can move it around in whichever position you feel more comfortable. Okay? This time, for this presentation, we're going to assemble it on this side. Now, once you have this, like so, then we can proceed to attach the legs of the device, which is here. And this one, we are going to screw them back together here. Why this is important? Because this is going to help you to set it there. Let me move this a little bit so you can see better. And there. Now you see, you can start working assembling your device safely because this will not move. In this box, as we mentioned, you will also find this arm, okay? This arm will help you in case you need to add some light. You can, as you can see, this device has multiple holes or screen parts here where you can easily attach your device to. So let's try and get it in one of these parts. Since this is gonna be for the light or the microphone, let's put it here in the back. Here, you can make it loose by rotating it this way, or you can make it more steady by tightening it up like so. So as you can see, now we have assembled most of this part. So as we can see, we have attached the first arm that we showed, and now we have attached the second, the smaller one. We have attached it to this part of the device. You can attach it as you see the best way possible. In this video, we're showing you how to attach both the microphone and the light at the same time. But if it's during the day, you probably are not going to be using this. You can only use the main one, because then you don't really need the light. The light, this is only when you need to use both the light and the microphone. Now, as we showed you before, the light comes in this white bag, which which we are gonna take out of. Okay. Let's put aside this. Now this light, as you see, comes in this aspect, and what we want to do is we want to attach this part here. Okay, you can see we're going to attach it here, and then we're going to start winding it like so until it's very tight and secure. Remember, we had a bag here with this. These are the filters or the protectors that we will use with our camera. When you are shooting in optimal lighting conditions, we advise you to always use this one. Wait, you only put it on top. Okay, so it's magnetic and it's ready to go. There. Very secure. Okay? Because I just figured out a better way. So as we attach our filter here, then you can always adjust this as your preference. The way how we want to show you now is if you directly take this part here into the small metal arm, and then you can bring it out a little bit. Then you simply rotate it until it gets very secure. You can always here also adjust it. Bring it here and bring it close to you until it feels very nice and steady. You can adjust this the best way you want. The battery, this one, you will attach it to the back. Let me just show you. The battery will go here. What you will do is you will place it, push it, it will be ready. Okay? Now remember, the charger for the battery is here, and this part is ready to go. Now let's bring here the microphone. As we mentioned before, this microphone is another important part of this kit, because this will let you capture very good quality sound. This one is very easy. You have this part here, you slide it, and then you're gonna use this wheel to keep it nice and secure until you can no longer move it. So you see now, you are ready to move around. Let's go. So now we're gonna introduce the... Now that we have our kit like this, is the time to get our phone ready. So we take our telephone. Don't forget to charge it every time you use it, so you have it ready to go. Now the way how you set up this is that you have the head. You have the head of the stabilizer like this, okay? Now, as you see here, you're gonna press one side against it, and then you're just gonna clip it, okay? Once it's clipped, you're gonna come down all the way here. And then, before you turn this on, you need to make sure that your device is balanced. You see, now it's not balanced at all. The way you're gonna balance it is by losing this part here. You lose this part and you're gonna move it until you find when it's balanced. Okay, like so. You see? Now that it's balanced, you're gonna twist it again to make it secure in place, and now you have a balanced part. Okay, so now that we have our phone balanced, we have our kit like this, it's moment just to connect our microphone. In this bag, you're gonna have your auxiliary cable, which you're gonna take out. Okay, and you have two ends. One end, you're gonna connect to the back of the microphone, and the other end, okay, you're gonna connect back of your mobile phone. You have to just squeeze it a little bit and then you push back until it lets you. Okay? You may have to readjust this a little bit just so it's nice and balanced. And try to balance it as much as possible. Once it's balanced, you can lock it into place. You can always, when you finish, you can just put it back. And now your kit is ready, so you can transport it. You can move from one place to another. You can be in peace, knowing that nothing is gonna fall out of place. And this is how you transport your whole kit from one place to the other. Remember, in this bag, we have a zipper with these little plastic envelopes. We're gonna take out the one that says Type C. We're gonna open it. We're gonna take this small cable. Now, what this cable will enable us to do is to charge our telephone while we are using it. And to do this, we are gonna slide your phone a little bit out so you can have a better way of plugging these. So you plug your phone here, like so, and the other part you are gonna plug this one. Okay. Here. Like that. You can record it. Now when this is done, you can slide your phone back, okay, as far as it lets you without twisting the cables. And now we're ready. We can put it back in resting mode, like that. Now, when you are about to start, since you have already balanced your phone, all you have to do, you're gonna have to switch it around. You press this button here, okay, and the light will indicate you that it's on. As you can see, the telephone is already charging, okay, while it's connected to this device. And then you're gonna simply slide it like this, and you are ready to go mobile. You are ready move, go up and down. The beautiful part about this stabilizer is that you can move, you can run too much, and the image will remain stable. And you can record beautiful sound, you can help yourself with the light, and then you can produce very good quality video that will allow the communication department of the division and also your unions and your fields to have very good quality video. We will also be sending you, attached to all of these, a couple of links so you can go on the internet and you can dedicate yourself for half an hour and learn all about the different things about this stabilizer. As you can see here, okay, this stabilizer has many different functions. So you can start recording from here, you can zoom in and out, you can access all the different menus. There will be an application for this, but all of these will be explained in the videos that we will gonna be sending you. And again, if you have any concerns or any questions, you can always email the communication department of the division, and we will be happy to help you to understand how to use this equipment better, so you can happily use this equipment and use it for what is meant for the mission and produce good and quality videos.